I want my freestyle shit, man. Y'all know how this shit go, folks. It's either now or never, my nigga. I'm from Chirac, bitch, this shit just gets so real. These niggas know about my pain, they know I cannot feel. 8 years inside that cell, 9 nigga ready to kill. And fuck the world, cause nigga, I'm cursed, nigga, I'm about to peel. Another blunt back and fill it up with loud, nigga. I'm about my money, nigga, I scream fuck all y'all niggas. Cause if you ain't my niggas, if you ain't MVA, nigga, that's 1150 River Road. The game is to be sold, and bitch, nigga, it can't be sold, it can't be told, nigga, this life about to unfold. A devil in the flesh, I cannot tell what's way to go. I say, God, please forgive me, but only God gonna know. I keep that fucking pole, they wanna catch me lacking. I'm out here checking niggas, fuck niggas don't want no war, they don't want no fucking static. I be up at they door, cause I be lamping on these niggas with that 44. I told the judge I ain't a fuck nigga, I cannot cop. I tell the bitch, get the fuck out the whip, you ain't sucking cock. I'm about my life, I'm about my money, nigga, fuck the cops. You see how I just switched the flow up, nigga, cannot stop. I am the best rapper alive, if they test me, nigga, that be the last time. See me is where you invested, nigga, that's a guaranteed profit. They say they better than me, I scream out, nigga, stop it. I got that semi, nigga, I be in all black. I do this shit for Tupac, I do this shit for Biggie Smalls, this shit would never stop. The greatest rapper alive, I'm not reaching the top, I'm not at the top, but I'm gon' reach the top. I'm smoking loud packs, nigga, where the fuck they at? And fuck my job, nigga, I ain't making enough cash. I went and bought a mask, I went and bought some gloves, so when this shit get critical, I'm sticking shit up. I'm on my way to another state, you know I move from different places to a different one, that's what I do. I gotta make it happen, I cannot make it rapping, I'm not a real G, let's make that shit clear. Shout out to my cousin David Mike, see those some real G's. Shout out to my niggas from the Ville, see they some real G's. Montana Valley, nigga, Paul Littleton, life is a motherfucker, get it when you can. I cannot understand where the fuck I'm going, nigga. Trapped in this storm, nigga, ever since I'm born, nigga. My mama shot dope in her veins, that's what's a life, nigga. My daddy wasn't never home, so fuck his life, nigga. I'm out here chasing bread, that's the only thing that matter. My freestyle is the only shit that seems to matter. And fuck that YouTube shit, bring me a record deal. And fuck this freestyle shit, I need a record deal. Cigarettes for my stress, middle fingers up, nigga. I scream out fuck the rest until I get it, nigga. You ain't on my level, I'm out of space, nigga. I'm from another planet, fucking with a Martian, nigga. I got some soldiers, nigga, everybody marching, nigga. Chirac my city, nigga, leave your ass in the carcass, nigga. I leave your ass wrapped up in that carpet, nigga. And all my niggas from the Ville, we also heartless, nigga. I stare into my own eyes, I cannot see the pain. The pain is starting to disappear, I do not feel a thing. I got that 30 on me, don't you make me cock that thing. I'm from a city where the only thing we know is pain. The only thing we know is pain. Now throw your L's up for all my niggas in the grave. And this the realest shit I had to say. Fuck a world, fuck a planet, nigga, on the way. Alright, I'm out this bitch.